some said is there is over 60 international flights coming to Bali every single day, and through the past my few videos from Kuta, Legian, even Sanur, people was wondering where are all these people. Actually, I found out where. You might like it or not, but they are all in Canggu. We found out just one new, kind of new cafe in Canggu called Crate Cafe. Very simple, very futuristic style, and it's packed. I mean, packed of people, international visitors, younger and older from all around the world, sitting in the one place here in Canggu.
It's so busy, crazy busy. So this is the queue actually there, you see. This is how life in Canggu. Wow. Even we just want to have a breakfast, the queue is just so long. Oh, look at this, so tempting. Okay. So nice.
Everything in this menu is 40 or 60,000, and the selection of the food and drinks is huge. I mean, actually, it's like, wow. Let's see how the food tastes like.
Wow, unbelievable. So full house, long waiting list. What sort of restaurant it is? Wow, and look at Damian. We just got a shared table. It's the outside sitting area. You see, but it's hot outside. And yeah, I'll just show you like around 360. Wow, wow, and wow, full house. Well, as you know that Canggu is regarded as the center of the digital nomads, you see surround us. Some people that, you know, coming here having a breakfast and also bringing their own laptops working. So what I can say, Canggu is popular for the digital nomads, maybe not because of the beach. The beach, you know, the color of the sand is not white sand beach, but the community and also the restaurants you see surrounding. I don't think that people here having a nasi campur or nasi jingo for the breakfast in the morning, but they have a very nice Western food for the breakfast, and the price very affordable.
Also interesting fact is as they covering the seats of the motorbike, so your seat is gonna be clean and not so hot, and also the parking guy gonna help you to get out your motorbike, you know, yeah, like this lady, so you don't need to worry too much about that. So easy. Actually, I really like the stuff here. Okay, so if you ask about the food, this is our 60K breakfast. As you can see, the bread with the beans, with the poached eggs, bacon. Somewhere here is the bacon actually. On Winnie plate looks a little bit better, and this is already including the tax. So 60K means 60,000. Very nice.
So it's very interesting way to serve the food. You see, it's quite a big portion for me from the breakfast. No wonder so many people coming to this restaurant. What I observe here, Canggu is just like a melting pot for everyone coming to Bali. But what I can say, mostly the younger generation are coming to Canggu. Yes, that is true. You see that even in front of me, just coming some people, you know, like keep coming and coming. In the point of view, for the business perspective, dollars mostly coming to the Canggu area.
Sweeney said, I think if you are serious about the money and investing money in Bali, you may like Canggu or not, but you should really consider this place or this area for making a business, because I'm not a big fan. But if I will have the money to put now as the business, as the cafe in Bali, definitely I will choose Canggu, because, well, business is business, guys. Even they didn't let me to park the car here because it's not enough space, only for motorbikes. So that's, again, in Canggu, driving a car is a little bit tricky. But we are the professionals, we know where to park. Anyways. Cheers, guys. That's a beautiful, fresh, young coconut. We moved to the different location, which is called Brisa Canggu. Very tropical place, very nice, and guess what? It's in Canggu, and of course full of people from all around the world again. So like I said, Canggu have something what attracts so many people, either we like it guys or not. That's the very nice tropical place overlooking the beach and the surfers. As you can see, the beach maybe is not so attractive. Well, definitely it's not really attractive. However, there are surfers there. The surfers enjoying the wave and the people enjoying watching them from the nice place having a drink. That's how the life in Canggu look like currently. As you can see, at morning already quite a lot of people.
So basically this is what Canggu offers. Beach clubs and then, you know, many Western restaurant and also, like Damian said, surfing. So what I can say, even in the morning at breakfast time, this place, I mean in the Canggu area, already full of people. I remember one cryptocurrency guy who promotes that whenever you come to Bali and live in Bali, your money will make you, you will make more and more money and you will become rich after few years living in Bali.
Making $6 million a year right now, and it all started in Bali.
And we post this on Instagram because he said as he's making $6 million American per year. And I said after 7 years of living in Bali, I came with $1 American and I have only 1,000 rupiah, which is like a 10 cents. I didn't get rich, but he get. Maybe he knows something more than I know. And he stay exactly in this place I'm making now, in this exactly the same spot. So maybe I'm gonna be rich next year. I hope so.
Okay guys, so last time we made a video about what actually Indonesian government wants, which is the digital nomads preferred. So we've been taking you to the restaurant there in a great cafe, and now I'll take you to the place called La Brisa. So mostly where the digital nomads coming and chilling after finish working. So that's before is the place where they're having breakfast. Here, this is the place where they're enjoying sunset, maybe like, you know, after surfing, enjoying the drink. So yeah, I think this is our government, Indonesian government wants. They want to attract more digital nomads rather than retirees.
So basically guys, don't take me wrong, but this is what officials currently looking for. They want you to spend few dollars when you are in Bali, either you are expat, either you are expat here for living for a long time or short term, rather than going and looking for nasi jingo for 5K, including Kopi Bali for 2K from the warung. You have to spend $7, not 7,000 rupiah. That's what they are looking for. And unfortunately, that's the future of Bali, guys. And we're gonna show you to these occasion places where you can spend more than $7. But guys, this is not as Canggu only attracting the young digital nomads or the young people in general. A lot of families here are coming as well, the similarly like in Sanur or in other parts of Bali, but also actually quite a lot of expats and retired people living in Canggu area. Some of our viewers also saying as we live in Canggu, and we saw actually today in few places already the people who are like retired or even 70 plus, like a really age of my father living here. The only difference is as the retired people who are living here, they most likely could afford easily this brand new visa for 200,000, 125,000 US dollars. That's the probably only the difference, right? Because there are not that many like in other parts of Bali, but still they are here.